Hello guys and welcome to this new video. My name is Kevin, your financial analyst. Today we'll talk about NVIDIA. But before we start guys, I want to tell something. This is a disclaimer. Investing is actually risky. So this is actually my personal takes on financial stocks markets. So I advise you guys to also do your own homework. Well, right now NVIDIA is at the technical reflection point that happens maybe once a quarter. Say 12 trading session of compression, and at this exact resistance level today that compression is about to explode, and I will show you exactly why and how to trade it. Okay, the technical baseline is this. The price have been dancing around this level between $175 and $195. This is actually very crucial because we have to understand why and why I'm saying it's about to explode. This is not actually a stagnation, it's an accumulation before a major move. The critical support is this level right here. If the price goes down here and if the price go up here, we'll decide exactly the decision making that we'll have to take here based on those movements on candle close, especially on the weekly time frame. Stay tuned guys, I'm about to tell you why I'm talking about market starting moving higher and why these major levels are very important for the next move if you decide to either buy, hold or sell. Like I said before, we have two major catalysts that will drive the price higher. Let's talk about the first one. Actually, the first one dropped this morning. Mercedes, NVIDIA and Uber team up to build the S-Class Robotaxi. Mercedes-Benz Group AG and NVIDIA Corporation and Uber Technology Inc. advancing plans to roll out robotaxi services in major cities centered on Mercedes S-Class sedan. The collaboration launched last year is focused on building global autonomous driving platform. The next generation S-Class running Mercedes-Benz will integrate NVIDIA Drive Hyperion hardware along with the full stack NVIDIA Drive AV Level 4 software. This is not just a press release. It's a market structure shift because NVIDIA Drive platform becomes the operating system for autonomous transportation. It's actually a good news for NVIDIA. Now, why this matters? When we look here at the size of the global autonomous vehicle market in 2021 and 2022 with a forecast through 2030, we have a very impressive number, 2.3 trillion by the year 2030. According to the autonomous vehicle market forecast by Next Move Strategy Consulting, the global autonomous vehicle market reached nearly the size of $106 billion in 2021. It is projected that in 2030, the market will reach the size of 2.3 million US. Big capital injected in the market. So NVIDIA is not selling chips here. They are not. They are taking a platform fee on every robotaxi mile. That's recurring revenue Wall Street values at 20 to 30 times. Now let's talk about the second catalyst. The second catalyst is actually a hidden play because no one actually really talk about it too much. I'm talking here about NVIDIA Earth-2. Open production ready AI model and tools for global forecasting and planetary resilience. NVIDIA Earth-2 is a comprehensive family of open models, library, and framework that democratize global access to professional-grade weather and climate AI. We have here a video that is actually resuming the story. I will put a link in the description down below so you can also watch the full video.
Weather has a profound impact on our daily lives. Predicting how it will affect agriculture, energy, aviation.
Like I said, I will put the link in the description down below. I want to show you very fast the different models that we have: a medium range of forecasting, global data simulation, core diff, forecast. You can actually see the description I will put also the link here so that you can actually reach here and watch the description. But what is important about this one? One thing is important here is this.
Like forecast.
That this is actually a hidden play, like I was saying. Nobody's actually really talking about it. But one thing is sure is this. An AI model that predicts weather with 1,000 accuracy. Actually, we know that insurance company pays like 45 billion annually in weather claims. This is NVIDIA vertically integrating into a 200 billion industry overnight. That's why I'm saying the market is about to go higher. Okay, let's see the magic, where the technicals meet the fundamentals. I mentioned earlier two catalysts, and they are very important because based on the weekly close, if it's the candle close above this level, we expect a certain continuation, and that means those two catalysts were already priced in. So if you have a candle close here, not with a wick, no, a candle close on weekly, it means we can have a probability of continuation, a big probability of continuation. And how to enter? If you are aggressive buyers, you can just wait for the price to create a small dip before continuing. But we also have to be cautious because there's also sellers in the market. So based on this situation, if the price breaks this level, very important, this level right here, we expect also to short because remember, the price have been moving on top of the 200 moving average since the May 2025. So this scenario is most likely not to happen because like I said before, the two catalysts are very important, and also don't forget the Jensen Huang meeting with China to invest on the chips and everything. So we have a big probability of price breaking this level for continuation to collect the liquidity created by this double top, because this is accumulation. This level is actually accumulation before expansion. And this is how market reacts, because based on price movement, the scenario of accumulation and breaking down is rarely in the case in terms of big stock like NVIDIA, because like here, accumulation, rejection, accumulation, rejection, accumulation, rejection, accumulation, rejection, accumulation, rejection. So we most likely will see the same scenario here. We have two catalysts that are proving this. This is just recent news. We also remember the news about Jensen Huang visiting China to sign a global market deal. Also, what I want to say is this: because we never know what can actually happen in the market, because we never know what is actually hidden behind the information that we always receive, we can have a certain break on this level because price can just come here and collect a certain level of liquidity before resuming. This scenario can happen, and if it happens, it has to happen with volume. Remember, when we look here, we can also see that we have big volume. This actually justifies what I'm saying about accumulation. This recent 2 months from here to here, we have been having a big volume in the market. It means that the market is accumulating, and after accumulation, there's only one move. It's big rejection. So guys, be ready. Now, where to enter? Like I said, we have two positions. If you are holding, I don't think you have to panic. Don't be afraid. This is actually very healthy because this retracement here shows that the market is actually very healthy. So don't be afraid at all. Don't just miss the entry because, like I said, the accumulation is done. We are about to go higher. Where to enter? My best possible entry here, is above this level, breaking this level with candle close on weekly, and wait for a small dip closing on top of this thing as a risk management and continue higher. So guys, if this video helped you to release a little bit of stress or fear about the stock market of NVIDIA, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Type in the comment what you think about it, because I know that it's actually very stressful when you invest. Probably maybe you invest here and then you're just seeing that the market is just stagnating. You just feel like, okay, you have to take your money and wait for another best position to entry. This is not the case. You have to hold because patience is key when it comes to investing. And I know you already know that. So type 1 in the comment if you are prepared to buy. Type 2 if you are holding. And type 3 if you are just waiting for the price to break this level, collect some kind of level liquidity before resuming, or if it breaks this level, if you're going to sell. Let me know in the comment. If this video hits 500 likes, I will directly bring some live reaction about the market and certain news so that we can actually see exactly how to run this together. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day.